Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Mimin Minarsi. I'm student in University Islam of Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. My majors in Dakwah Management, Faculty Dakwah and Communication. Now, I want to tell you about my life in your country. The reason why I choose Singapore because Singapore is the cleanest city in the world, and it is also multicultural diversity, but still comfortable and safe. It's amazing place where Eastern and Western culture also blend in the terms of language. That's why I choose to live in Singapore. How is the lifestyle in Singapore? There are various lifestyles in Singapore. Family Temple, Singaporean National Christian. Chile Crab, the country with the longest prime minister in the world. A small island that has functioned as financial center. The only and first place to hold your rest at night. English and with the foreigners don't understand his standards and his level of security. 1% unemployment rate as for the cultural climate in Singapore. Just like in Indonesia, the season in Singapore is divided into two, namely the dry season and the rainy season. The dry season in Singapore runs from February to August, while the rainy season usually starts from September, with the highest rainfall from November to January. Islamic Center. Although Singapore is not a Muslim country, it is not difficult to find a place of worship for a variety of Muslims. The number of mosques in Singapore is also quite a lot. This land country is very tolerant and pays attention to the existence of places of worship. Sultan Bugis Mosque, Singapore Abdul Ghaffar Mosque, Haja Fatimah Mosque, Malabar Mosque, Jama'atullah Mosque. Education Singapore, also known as Literate, is a country that sits in the heart of Asia. Singapore is one of the most developed Asian countries and has a high quality of life and a low crime rate. In general, the lack of basic education in Singapore is the same as in Indonesia, which is 6 years, consisting of a basic program for 4 years, and followed by an orientation program for 2 years. At the end of the 6th year, student will take the primary school leaving examination. Transportation Singapore is one of the best contact cities with a public transport system that is clean, safe, easy to use, and reasonably priced. For most visitors, renting a car in Singapore is unnecessary and expensive, and of course, people who have a transportation will find that most of the sights and attractions in Singapore are easy to reach. With public transport, will the transportation option consists of several, namely taxi, just sit suite, without dizziness, bus, ship public transportation, modis, mass rapid transit, like rapid transit, SkyTrain, special airport transfers, than typical. Street food in Singapore, Popia, Singapore chicken rice, chili crab, lemak rice, rojak, carrot cake, Mr. cake, rice toast, satay, and laksa. Culture in Singapore. The culture of Singapore or culture of Singapore embodies the artistic, culinary, literary, musical, politic, and social elements that are
representative of Singapore and Singapore, as the city-state is located at the crossroads of some of Asia's major cultures. Its core culture consists of a combination of East Asian, Austronesian, South Asian, and Eurasian influences. Contemporary Singapore has also been influenced by European culture, particularly by the British, earning in the nickname of the country where as Smith's Peace, Gateway to Asia, and City of Parks.